Welcome to the world of Pearlworks. Our California showrooms are design masterpieces that showcase our work, ranging from classic to modern and contemporary periods of architecture. The design and detail of each vignette highlight hundreds of concepts and construction techniques to help our many clients that come from all over the world to visualize and implement our unique and innovative products into their custom orders. All of our guests are always welcome to visit and take photos of our beautiful facilities to capture creative ideas. Over the past 2 decades, Pearlworks has created thousands of designs and can replicate the architecture of any time period. Not only does Pearlworks create identical reproductions of original pieces, but also design them around a modular system for ease of installation, which is exclusive to Pearlworks. The modular system allows contractors, architects, designers and carpenters the ultimate flexibility when designing and assembling rooms, custom cabinetry and entire interiors of homes and buildings. In addition to easy installation using all standard woodworking tools, the surface for the installation can be flat or curved, providing the ultimate flexibility. Once the design is finished, the biggest advantage of Pearlworks products are their ability to be stained or painted in any oil or water-based finish with equal ease. Pearlworks and its 30,000 square foot facility is home to artisans, carvers, carpenters, mold makers and sales staff who work in unison for each piece and project. Each design is hand-carved by master carvers out of solid wood, just as they did 1,000 years ago. Our molds use the most advanced silicones, and each part is made using the most advanced flex resin available today. Each and every part is hand-detailed and inspected before being placed into inventory for immediate delivery. From concept to completion, everything is made in America and all under one roof. Our experienced designers and sales staff can help you with any project, big or small, and wherever it may be around the world. Come experience all that we have to offer and let us help you create your masterpiece.